Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. If you're new here, welcome. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and join our little family. I like to do anything beauty, DIY. We do cleaning here on this channel, so we'd love to have you. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June, right? It's June. Man, this month is flying by. We just got back from a 2-week vacation, so I'm like, I can't believe it's already like, oh my gosh, it's mid-June. Holy moly. Summer is in full effect here in Arizona. It's like 112 degrees. It's actually kind of nice right now. It's overcast. We might get some rain. It's monsoon season coming up, so bring on the rain. All right, so we're gonna do Boxycharm. For those of you not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month subscription makeup box. You get 5 or 6-ish full-size products, and I'm loving it. They're good quality products. There's stuff I don't have already. Well, because I think they just make them for Boxycharm. I don't know. Anyways, I'm loving it. So let's see what I got. I did already peek a little bit because I can't help myself. So this box is called, here's the little card here, and it's called Caribbean Queen. Is it Caribbean or Caribbean? I never know. Just so you guys know, I already looked at some of these names of these, and you're gonna get a kick out of this because I probably can't pronounce any of them. So this is the card here. It tells you everything that's in the box and how much it retails for, so we're not gonna look at that yet because we want to be a little bit surprised. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And the first thing I see in here are makeup brushes. I love getting makeup brushes because they're always really good quality in here, and I love them. These are Luxie brushes. I already have some of these and I absolutely love them. So let's see, you get 3 of them here, and this is what they look like. They're so pretty. They're great quality. Oh, that one kind of went in a little weird. Whoops. So we've got you guys, I just got through half of my box and I noticed that my camera shut off because I ran out of space. So I think it ended with the brushes. Where the fuck did I put the brushes? I'm a hot mess. Okay, so I really don't know how far we got with these, but these are the Luxie brushes. They retail for $42, right? Yes, $42. And you get the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, Tapered Highlighter, and the Precision Foundation Brush. All right, so the next thing I talked about was the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And like I was saying, I have no freaking clue what a bum bum cream is. I think it's for your body. It smells really good. It kind of has like a musky, So I got it out of my mailbox yesterday and it was like really, really runny because it's so flippin' hot here. But it's hardened up a bit, so it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of like the amber musk stuff from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, so this, I think this size, it retails for $10. I don't know if this retails for 10 or if the full size retails for 10. Probably the full size, right? Okay. So yeah, that smells really good. And then the next thing I talked about was, this is the Jante Bleu eyeliner pencil in the color Charcoal, and I did already do a swatch right here. It's just a pencil eyeliner, and I feel like you can never have too many of these. So this retails for $5. And then the next thing I talked about was this Ofra long-lasting lipstick, or liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Verona. And I did a swatch right there, and that's what it looks like. I kind of got nervous because I feel like I've been getting a lot of liquid lips lately in my Boxycharm, and I feel like they've all been the same color, but this one is a little more brown than the other ones. Oh, and it definitely does not dry down completely. It still transfers a little bit, so good to know. And then the next thing I was talking about before I so rudely was interrupted, these are the Baddington lashes, and we've never gotten lashes before in Boxycharm, so I thought that was kind of cool. And these retail for $28, and it says with proper care you can get up to 25 applications. So the thing with lashes with me is that I feel like my normal lashes are already pretty long because I use a really good conditioning serum. So I'm nervous that these might not be long enough, but at least they'll give it some more volume, I guess. So yeah, these will be fun to try out. Okay, and then the last thing here is the Alamar Reina del Caribe. See, I told you I was not going to know how to say any of this stuff. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette, and it's very pretty, and this is what it looks like when you open it. Ooh, I love that. I love like the Caribbean feel. It's so pretty. A quick little swatch on my arm right here so you guys can see what they look like. Oh yeah, so these were all the shimmer ones. Those are all shimmery, and then now we're getting onto the matte ones. This one is I'm excited to dig into this thing and try it. I was gonna do a little try on, but I'd already done my makeup, so I didn't really want to. Okay, and there you have it, you guys. That palette retails for $28. So let's do the math on this box. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the Ofra lipstick retails for $21. So yeah, this box retails for $134, and we only paid $21 for it. So that